Now that we have our Python REST configured and set up with the API running smoothly, let's show how to integrate this API into an existing project of some front-end pages that will consume the API. Let's start by browsing into 7 Technologies Cloud GitHub. Here we can go to our mini Twitter project that download the repo via SSH, HTTPS URL, or even downloading the project as a zip file if you prefer. I'll open a terminal on the desktop to clone the repository. Let's type here git clone, paste our copied HTTPS key. You can click Windows plus V, and it shows clipboard history. So, I'll paste it here in the terminal and press enter, and it will copy the project to the desktop. It's already right here, so I'll use CD to go to the mini Twitter directory. We can open this project with VS Code using a code command. Okay, as we saw, there was only this license, gitignore and readme in the repository. As we can see, the project is on the other branch, the front-end one. Let's switch to this one. Now we can the VS Code window, open up the terminal. I'll open it with git bash. Let's type git checkout frontend, and it will switch to the desired branch. Here we have public and src folders and also package JSON file. Before running the project, let's run yarn install to install the dependencies that we need. Okay, it has started installing the dependencies listed within the package JSON. Let's take a look here to see what we have inside the package JSON. We have React DOM, React Modal, React Router DOM for page transitions, which is also good for making calls, styled components, essential for creating components in React, UUID, Web Vitals, and scripts where we usually run our project, generally yarn dev. But here, it's a yarn start. We can see the build for Vercel in the future, and its tests too. Let's wait for it to finish running. You can see the node modules folder has been created. When it ends, you can run yarn start to see if it is working properly. This project will run on localhost :3000. Let's minimize the VS Code. After initializing the project, we will be able to view the text block to create new post, feed and the posts created. Let's check what's working. I'll create a post and hit the post button. It is working correctly and we can already see our new post. Just below, when you hover the mouse over the username, you will see that there it is clickable, and clicking it opens the modal with the user details. Working perfectly, it shows Lucas's information. He has 3 posts, 0 following, and we can also see there is 0 followers. And the date time he joined as an user. Down here we can see some of his posts. Let's close the modal. Here below we can see some more posts. Now let's see how this is being handled within the code.